there is going to be a huge 500,000 new citizens in Spain. We would really like to ask the government if this 500,000 is enough, because as ratio talks between one government job really destroys 10 Spanish newborn, so then we would need 50 million. Yeah, we have 5 million government workers, so we need 50. But just 500,000 is just enough for your good fleet if they all would be seafarers. Should that be the case and you have an issue regarding French flag, regarding Italian flag, regarding Spanish flag, regarding Deutsch flag, any other European flag, and you have a problem to supply European seafarers, contact Candina, because it looks like Spain now is going to be the leader regarding this solving situation of supply and demand for the moment, as I think is 50 million what we really need today to offset the new births that should have been here since the last 30 years. But this same situation is going to be throughout Europe, so then whoever takes the first step will take the first punch and competitive advantage. So it's a great opportunity that we will get this 500,000. How many would there be seafarers? Well, I hope, cross fingers, that the government thinks and they start using a calculator, because if we did have 500,000 seafarers, then perhaps the European fleet would really take control. The Armada, again, would be strong with the European flag, European seafarers, European strategic maritime sector, and perhaps we would take control of situation instead of always the same people taking the situation's control, as always. But then please think about this opportunity, because we see there is many Belgian shipowners with huge gas issues, and many French and Italian and Spanish and Deutsch and all kinds of European problems. But we have the 500,000 solutions. So if you contact us fast, dear shipowner, perhaps you are the first one to take competitive advantage. Yes? Therefore, please think positive, because we can start planning very fast. Thank you indeed for your time. Bye. Like and subscribe, shipowner.